Ashtyn.
I'm Catherine.
And today we're making pizza, and we're really excited to show it to you guys. And we're really excited to eat it, and we'll show you when we eat it, because it's going to be a really good pizza.
Sydney. Sydney. Sydney.
Oh hey, I'm Sydney, and you're watching Team C's cooking channel. Today, we're going to be making a pizza that's huge, can feed about 20 people, so make sure you stay in tune.
Sydney added 10 ounces of cold water to yeast, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then she let it sit for 5 minutes. Later, she added that water mixture to flour, and now she is stirring it until it is combined.
Right now, I'm putting in 2 teaspoons of salt to this mixture. If I put the salt in too soon, it'll kill the yeast and the reaction won't work.
We dumped out the dough, and we're kneading it for 5 minutes. And then we're going to roll it up into a ball.
Now we're going to put the dough into the bowl and let it rise for an hour. And it rises because it has yeast that's an organism that acts as a leavening agent. And it converts the starch from the dough into carbon dioxide, which is released into the dough and makes the dough rise.
We are now going to let the dough rise for an hour.
So now we're adding 1 can of tomato paste, a pinch of thyme, and 2 pinches of basil.
And so we put everything together, and now we're going to stir it until it boils. Oh, look at that stirring.
We're going to add a pinch of sugar. You're going to add some salt.
So in the oven,
It's not rising? Are you even kidding me? What do we do?
Is the gas in your pizza at constant pressure? As the volume increases, the temperature increases.
The dough and your temperature will increase, and so will the volume. Get your Charles on now!
And we're back with the Team C cooking show. The dough has risen.
we're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit.
Spraying the cooking sheet with this spray, and then she's gonna put the dough on it.
We put it in the oven and we set the timer for 15 minutes. This law is responsible for the rising of dough in the oven.
Pockets of air are formed by the yeast. They heat and expand, which causes the dough to inflate in the oven.
Final product, and it's an example of Charles' law because when we put it in the oven and the temperature increased, the volume of the dough increased, and you can see the little bubbles in there from the air formed by the yeast. Bubbles, bubbles.
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 Ooh, bubbles. Ooh, bubbles. Ooh.
Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Oh yeah, bubbles, bubbles, bubbles.
Hashtag Charles Law.